then we can get just like plain white one. See, they got different. I don't know what the. Oh, those are plastic.
Those are plastic.
This one.
Oh, flower ones.
They bought all the blue ones to go with the blue kitty plates.
Yeah, maybe they're sold out.
Or they didn't buy any.
They sold out. It's okay. We can come back next time. Maybe they have it next time.
No, what I recommend is go ahead and get.
Okay, we get this one.
Okay, do you want that one? It's got a hook on the end.
Yes,
or do you want...
the hook is better.
The hook is...
no. This one. I don't need hook because that's why it's more expensive. We get this one. It's good enough. Look, the Hello Kitty cup. Ah, it has a lot of different pots. Very cute. Look the pot. Look, this is for. Look, I like this. I like this. Wow, it's got. Oh, it's different. Those two. Got blue cat.
Well.
Oh, look right here. It's got Hello Kitty. Hello Kitty. A set of Hello Kitty balls. Yeah, it matches your plate. It's great. And here it's got Doraemon. Duck egg. I really want duck egg. What's the price? And it smells good. Oh, it's got short ones. This is shorter. Can we get? No, we don't need it.
Maybe if you want to get them.
No, I can't think about any way to use it right now. Oh, we need that. We need this. We need those. Look.
What about this back scratcher?
It's not. Which one you want to get? You want to get
This is a
this
back
one?
scratcher, right?
No, I don't know what is it.
I'm sure it's a...
No, it's hard. Which one you want to get? This one or this one or this one? The price is all the same.
Which one do you think is best?
I don't know. This is bigger. This is smaller.
Maybe I really have no... Look at these over here. These got the same thing. It's just you roll it like that.
But it doesn't have the handle. We need the one with the handle. Do you want to get this one or this one? Which one is better?
Baby, I don't know anything about rolling pins.
I think those ones better because it's rotate. Get this one. This is thing to clean pans. Very strong. It's my favorite candy.
Okay, grab some of it. Grab a thing.
Okay.
It's got the rabbit on it. I remember you telling me about some sort of rabbit candy.
Yes, this one tastes super good.
Does it taste like rabbits?
No, it's like milky cream, chestnut.
Okay, baby.
Do you want more?
Maybe get whatever you want to get.
I think those two enough. Okay, that's a lot of food. Wow, this looks good. I need to remove my...
Can't really see the food though. Do you want me to go get your tripod? I will go get your tripod, baby.
Okay, we share.
If you would like to share, I would like to have some. So this is my share, and that's her share.
I'll give you more. Oh, how about we eat in one go?
Go ahead, sweetie.
It looks spicy, but not spicy. Do you like it?
It's good. It's very good.
It's my first time having this style of noodles. The soup tastes really good.
Yes, I think the soup tastes good. I want to enjoy the ambiance of the food court.
The food tastes good and it's not expensive. I like to eat at food court.
I think there's two types of noodles in here. And I think there's some bean sprouts.
Do you feel it's spicy?
I feel that it is spicy enough, but not so spicy that it ruins the flavor.
Maybe I can make you the noodle. It is very flavorful.
I got Girl Scout cookies today.
It tastes super good. If it's in the morning, right now it's
Late.
It's after 9. If it's in the morning, I can eat the whole thing. Really. I think parents will love it.
It is actually pretty good.
Chongqing noodles. Chongqing is a city. I have never been there, so I never had this type of noodles.
Really, are the noodles different? Noodles are noodles are noodles. And these noodles just remind me of spaghetti.
Yes, noodles are the same. It's just the flavor is different. And the soup, it's super good. I want to make it at home.
There's a lot of oil. I can see the oil.
Yes.
And there's pepper flakes.
Hot oil. We can get the hot oil.
Now, are you sure you can't eat the whole thing? Because it looks like it's all gone.
I'm actually full. I'm glad we got a lot of noodles so we can make something similar to this. I think the beef is just the ground beef.
Yeah, it's ground beef.
The hot chili sauce. I think they also have the soy sauce. I like to have this kind of food. I want to come back to Korea next time and try other flavors. And the bowl looks unique. I really want to drink the whole thing. I really want to learn how to make it. I'm finished. I need to stop. Why are you looking at me?
Triple chocolate, like a New York cheesecake in the bottom. Why didn't we order one of those?
No, we can't eat the whole thing. That's too big. I can make you one similar to this. We got
Triple chocolate mousse something.
triple chocolate mousse. Mine. It tastes good.
It's not too sweet.
No.
I just want to eat the whole thing.
Okay.
Get a smaller piece.
What is the white part?
Mousse.
How do you make mousse?
I think it's some sort of stuff that's whipped with air. They just whip it.
Oh, is this the wax paper?
Yes.
This tastes like cream. Maybe we can make it. Cut off the chocolate. Think that I'm very full. Okay. Bye.
Yes, I recreated your dinner lap from last night that you said you liked.
Oh, we share